Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again. So today we're going to be making the headband wig, and I'm going to be using this hair from Miss Peach Nature Afro Hair. So this is how the hair is. So these are all the things I'm going to be using, and then my headband, and then I'm going to be lining with this one, and then my wig cap.
Calling me the sugar in your tea, calling me the honey in your bee. Anything you want, baby boy, I believe. Oh.
So I'm gonna take my eyeliner in the color white, my white eyeliner. Then I'm going to mark it.
He gave me you, gave you me, and you are the light in my day. You're right in my day. When I see you, I know I'd be okay.
So you're going to lay your tracks here, not below here, because we're going to take out this place where after when we're done with the wig, we're going to take out this whole of this next. We're going to cut it off.
Will you be my wife, oh baby, baby? Oh yeah, raga for me, Joe. Look into my eyes, oh baby. Will you be my wife, oh baby, Joe? I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. When you're mine, I'll never leave you. I'll always love you.
So I'm just going in with my spritz, the liquid spritz. That's what I'm using.
My number one. Many men they try to whine you. I don't really mind, they just they whine me. Many girls them try to whine me. Baby no gon' mind them just be whiny. Many men they try to whine you. I don't really mind, they just they whine me. Many girls they try to whine me. See, I'm looking for someone to set my soul free. Looking for someone to love me completely. Looking for someone to show me true love. And I'm searching for a kind of possibility.
So this is supposed to make the hold very strong and last very long. So that's why I'm applying the spritz to it. It's going to help the bond to adhere very fast and stay long. Okay guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Baby, would you be my wife, oh baby? Baby, oh yeah, raga for me.
So now that I've formed a perfect hue, I'm just going to be going across it.
Mystic Empire.
Calling me the sugar in your tea, calling me the honey in your bee.
So this is the last wave I'm placing down because we have our line drawn here. So we're not supposed to move past this place because our headband is supposed to sit on this part of the neck. So now that I'm done, I'm going to spray it for more hold. So next up, I'm going to wear the band on this part of the wig.
I know I'd be okay, yes, and you are the one that I feel, and you know that it's real. When I think of you, I know I'd be okay, yeah. Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby.
In order to attach the wig net to the band, to the headband, I'm going to kind of flip it around. I'm going to turn it just so the thread does not show. I'm going to sew the inside of the headband to the neck of the cap.
I'll never leave you. I'll always love you. You're my number one. Forever love, my number one. Many, many men they try to whine you. I don't really mind, they just they whine me. Many, many girls them try to whine me. Baby, no gon' mind them just be whiny. Many, many men they try to whine you. I don't really mind, they just stay whiny. Many, many girls they try to whine me. Oh, see, I'm looking for someone.
So guys, I'm done sewing the headband onto the wig cap. So this is how it's looking right now. So now the wig is ready. This is how it's looking inside.
Someone to come and be my true love, true love, true love, true.
So now we're going to cut this lace underneath the headband, just so that the headband can sit properly, can sit flat on the forehead. So I'm going to take out the lace underneath the headband.
So me say, Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby, would you be my wife, oh baby, baby, oh yeah, ranga for me, Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby, will you be my wife, oh baby, baby, yeah.
Mystic Empire.
So if you want to switch things up, you can just put an extra hairband over your headband just to switch things up. So thank you so much for always sticking with me, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, stay safe.